Beautiful and historic, with a unique cultural wealth and beautiful landscapes, Arequipa is without a doubt one of the main cities in southern Peru. Being declared Cultural Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO in 2000 due to its majestic historic center. It has monuments of various architectural styles, constructions based on ignimbrite volcanic stone, also known as ashlar. The historic White City will host the Zero Energy Mass Custom Home ZEMCH 2023 Congress, which will take place on the San Pablo Catholic University campus. Institution where we can find quality educational spaces, surrounded by nature, always on the vanguard. See you at the ZEMCH 2023 Congress. San Pablo awaits you.